কি ক'ব আজি চিৰাং জিলাৰ পৰা ৰাজ্যিক ভিত্তিক পুৰস্কাৰ বুটলিবলৈ সক্ষম হৈছে চিৰাং জিলাৰ গৌৰৱ কৰি আনিছে
It is very difficult to put into the words that my feelings, but I can say only that I am very happy to receive this award from the state government of Assam through the district administration Chirang, and I would like to thank to all my superiors as well as the district level selection committee, and I also thank to state government for the admirable initiative for the state employees.
Good morning everyone. As per the government of Assam instructions, আজি আমি লোক কল্যাণ দিবস celebrate করে আছো আমার চিরাং জেলাতে. Today also we are giving Lok Puruskar award to our best performing employee Sudesh Marak. So he has been in various branches of this office and has done significant contribution to our office. Coincidentally, we are also celebrating the death anniversary of our first Chief Minister, Gopinath Bardoloi sir, and his contributions are immensely applauded by the public of Assam. Thank you.
नोंथाङा सानाय सुनाय बेरामनि जेंनायाव गोग्लैनानै दं नामा? गावनि देहानि सायाव सानाय सुनायखौ लानानै दुखुआव दं नामा? नोंथाङा सानाय सुनाय दंब्ला जिंगा दासि। जुदि दं नोंथाङा गोख्रैनो सुलाद लादो। गोजोनथाव खौरां। SI निउर'थेरापि सेन्टार। बेयाव नोंथाङा गोरलैयैनो सानाय सुनायखौ फाहामनो हागोन। सिं सानाय, आफादावदै सानाय, मोदोम जरा सानाय, आइजोफोरनि जेंना, खर' सानाय आरो बायदि बायदि रोखोम सानाय दंब्ला गोरलैयैनो फाहामनो हागोन। बे SI निउर'थेरापि सेन्टारा चिरां जिल्ला बेंटल गला नं 5 आव दं। फै बिदिब्ला मोनथिनो थाखाय जानबुं नम्बराव कल खालामनि। जानबुं नम्बर 7620160459 आरो बे नम्बराव कल थाङाखैब्ला 9476977956 आव गोख्रैनो सुलाद लादो।